Are you saying no?
No.
Stay on the line for Film 4, Crime Scenes. Starts with Heat. Next Thursday at 9.
On Film 4 now, Sacha Luz stars as the killer on the catwalk. A Russian agent undercover as a model, but someone's about to make the deadly mistake of making the weapon the target. Helen Mirren, Luke Evans and Cillian Murphy also star in Luc Besson's Anna, which has strong language, self-harm, sex and graphic violence throughout.
Late Nights on Film 4, proudly sponsored by 888 Casino.